Hari Om. Good morning. On behalf of Department of Commerce, I welcome our beloved Principal Sir, Major Dr. I. Baburathanam, respected staff members, and my dear students to our today's webinar, What Next After Plus 2. Some of you would be wondering what to do after Plus 2, what to study, and how am I going to become? What course to choose, which college to choose? With these questions, you would be stressed a lot. To clear all your doubts and confusions, we have here with us an eminent speaker, Mr. T. Shekhar sir, retired headmaster, Avicii Higher Secondary School. Mr. Shekhar sir did his BCom at Government Arts College, Nandanam, MCom from Pachikas College. Sir is a retired headmaster, Avicii Higher Secondary School. He joined Avicii School in the year 1985 and retired in the year May 2016. He served for more than 30 years and has an headmaster for 9 years. He's very known popular person for accounting subjects and is a great teacher and inspired many students. Mr. Shekhar sir has won many awards and appreciations such as Dr. Radhakrishnan Best Teacher Award for the year 2014-15 from the Government of Tamil Nadu and Best Headmaster Award from Government of Tamil Nadu by the District Collector Chennai. We welcome you, sir, for today's webinar and to enlighten about what after plus 2. Welcome you, sir. It's over to you, sir.
Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all to our webinar. Today we are going to discuss what career option you can choose after plus 2. Plus 2 results have come. My congratulations to all. Marks is not a matter in the long run once you join the degree course. My sincere thanks to parents whose child got good marks in plus 2 examination. But my advice is that don't put your child mark in best group. It may upset other students too. Some students joined colleges. Some of you are planning, analyzing what career option is going to choose to achieve your academic life. A long journey in your life begins in a small single step. That step should be a right step. You are no longer be forced to choose from traditional courses that were pursued by your parents. There are plenty of options. You have to choose the right one. The decision is up to you. Choosing the right course gives you a benefit to grow, but also makes you to become a top person in your professional career. After globalization and privatization, many automobile industries have come. More banks and insurance sectors have developed in their business. E-commerce and logistics plays a vital role. Commerce is a tremendous field which offers you a handsome salary package. The salary depends upon the employer. A fresh graduate of you can get 20,000 per month. If you complete a professional course like CA, ICW, ACS, then you may get 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. Some students may be interested to do the business. They can do the business successfully, smoothly, and professionally without the advice of expert. You did not spend any amount for expert advice. All that you need dedication, hard working, and self-confidence to remove all the hurdles in your way. However, the decision is in your hands. You have to choose the right decision. We are here to help you and guide you to choose the right career, right course. We will be taking you through number of courses available in commerce and other degrees too. See, the total courses are classified into academic course, diploma course, professional course in accounts, professional course in accounts, professional course in law, employment course like teacher education, and IAS, IPS, IFS. So many courses are available. You can choose academic course like degree and diplomas, and simultaneously some of you can do other courses also. You can choose degree course along with that professional course like ICW, CA. You can do both. Some may be interested to do both. What is that? See, degree along with that IAS, IFS, IPS course also they can do if you are interested to do. Okay, I will tell you now how to choose your career. That is based on your interest, based on your personality. If you have good personality, then you can do degree along with that IPS, IAS course. If you have got good aptitude, then you can do degree along with that banking entrance examination. Assess your strength and weakness. You have to see the skill of you and what are the possibilities and opportunities are available in each course. You have to analyze and you have to think about your capability, feasibility, and guidance of your mentor. You have to see the nature of work, and some courses you may get a financial aid and scholarship. All that plays a significant role that you have to choose, that you have to decide before choosing your career. Next, the degree courses. The next plus 2. Next after plus 2 commerce, degree courses. BCom General. BCom General consists of accounts, law, income tax, cost accounts, management account. All the accounts are there along with the company law, contract act. BCom CS. Corporate secretaryship mainly focuses on company accounts and company law along with the income tax. BCom Accounting and Finance. Main focus on accounts and financial management. Very useful for taking decision in management. When you join as a management consultant or financial analyst, it will be very helpful to you. BCom Banking Management. It's a very useful course when you join in banks. BBA is a next life course. You did not have maths when you are interested to join BBA. Without maths also you can join BBA course. All these courses you can join with the maths or without maths, but life course is BBA. And BA is and others are also there. My aim, one more subject that is BSW, Bachelor of Social Work is also there. That is available in some institutions. Okay, next. The next professional course, Chartered Accountant. Chartered Accountant, see before completing BCom, we can go for Chartered Accountant course also. But what you have to do, you have to write the foundation course. Once you finish the foundation course, then after 9 months, you can write intermediate. When you finish the intermediate, you have to go for training for 3 months, articleship training you have to do an auditor. If you finish the final, then you will be allowed to practice either on your own or you can join in companies. You may earn more than 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Next, company secretary is also another professional course. You can do simultaneously both BCom or BCom in any specialization. Along with ACS, you can do company secretary. Foundation you have to write. Once you finish the foundation, you can appear executive. Okay, executive you have to write management for 15 days management skill orientation program. If you finish that, you will be allowed to write the final. Before completing final course, you have to go for training for 6 months. So 6 months of training you have to go. After completing this course, as per new amendments have come from February 2020, you have to complete 21 months as as a company secretary in some auditor or different companies. Cost and management accountant is another course. While doing BCom, you can do simultaneously cost and management course. Foundation you have to write. After completing foundation, intermediate, inter you have to appear. After finishing inter, you have to appear CA final. Before finishing final in any group, you have to do 6 months compulsory training. When you want to practice as ICWA, you have to do some years for training. The next one is diploma courses. BCom, along with the BCom, you can do any diploma courses in any university, recognized university. Diploma in finance, budget, accounts diploma, accountancy, diploma in accountancy from IGNOU, 1 year duration. These are all 1 year duration. Some of other courses also there. Journalism, tourism, any course as you like, you can do it. Next year, some professional courses. Once you finish the BCom degree, you can do law courses. BBA, LLB you can do. BBA, BL you can do. After completing BCom, you can go for BL. There are so many law professional courses are available. If you are interested, you can join law courses also. Even after completing BCom or any degree course, you can join in any institute for practicing IAS, IPS, IFS. That is also a very useful course. What is your mind? You may think now you are confused what course you have to choose, what course you have to leave. See, some students they are financially good and they are capable of doing. They are having more caliber. They can do both the courses. For example, we become in any specialization. Along with that, you can choose professional course. Okay, professional course means foundation. You can appear. If you finish the foundation, you can go for further. One aspect. Sometimes some students may be interested for IAS, IPS. I said that when you have got good personality, you can prepare for IPS. At the time of doing degree courses, you can go to any institute to acquire some knowledge in affairs, current affairs and past affairs. You have to study for that. It is very useful. A simple degree course you have to choose and you have to go for IAS, IPS training program. That is also one of the very useful courses. Some students may not be able to pursue further. They can choose a degree course. After finishing degree course, they can go for teaching line. All depends upon you, your capability. At the time of doing degree courses also, you can do diploma courses when you want to do business. So all that, everything is in your hands. Everything is in your hands. Next. Why to choose Auchi College? Auchi College is the best college in the city. It is located in north of the city. Moreover, it is on road. Is there? Very useful course. They are the A.V.M. Rajeshwari Education Trust. They are not only famous in film industry, but also they are the pioneers in education field also for more than 30 years. Though they have started college recently with a good faculty members, they are running the institution. They are providing you internship training to students in various institutions like IIT, and they are inviting experienced persons from different areas, and they are giving you internship training program. And moreover, the mentors coming from different field, they are encouraging students. They are encouraging students to study ICWA, ACS foundation course. They are helping the students. The motto of Auchi is from nobody to somebody. A dreamable, a renowned A.V.M. Rajeshwari Education Trust. Now, our college is affiliated with the University of Madras. It's a co-education institution located in the heart of the city. Easy accessibility from all parts of the city. All parts of the city. College bus stop is named as Auchi bus stop. The name is Auchi bus stop. It's near Padapalan. Undergraduate programs offered. In Auchi College, BCom General is the best course you can join. BCom Accounting Finance is good course. BCom Banking Management, BCom Corporate Secretaryship. BCom Corporate Secretary, they are giving you intensive training for 6 months. 1 year training is given for in a corporate secretary. BSc 1 month, 1 month program. BSc Visual Communication is I told you the beginning itself. They are the pioneers in the field, in the civil field. They are giving you practical training in the studio. Moreover, recently, some of the students went to Goa for film festival, international film festival. They interacted with the directors, actor and actress. They have obtained a good experience that is very useful for visual communication. BSc Computer, nowadays, it's a very useful course. Nowadays, everything is computerized. Even if you go to bank, starting when you are depositing, a man is sitting before computer, he is accepting deposits, and even manager is handling the computer. Everywhere you go, computer is there. Very useful course. That course, Auchi College has got. BCA is a computer application. It is a combination of commerce and computers. Very useful. Both you can study commerce as well as computer. Very useful. Next, BBA, administration. BBA, business administration is a very useful course. See, those who are not studied, maths, they can go for that course. That is available in Auchi College of Arts and Science. Salient features of Auchi, multicultural campus. The campus I did not tell you, very good campus in city. Excellent infrastructure facilities, congenial learning atmosphere. So good atmosphere prevails in Auchi College of Arts and Science. UGC qualified faculty with the industry experience. See, the faculty members very experienced from different fields they are qualified. Active NSS, RRC, and extracurricular clubs are there. I'll tell you later. Auchi mentorship program by industry leaders, very useful. No other college provides a Auchi mentorship program except Auchi Arts and Science College. It enhances spoken English skills through training programs. See, they are students who are studying a Tamil medium. They are being given spoken English skills through the training programs. Some staff from outside they are coming and they are helping the students who are studying in Tamil medium. State of the art studios and laboratories are well furnished gallery and type of classroom. If you visit, you will come to know how the classrooms are. Ideal libraries, best library in Auchi Arts and Science College. Lot of plenty of books are kept in the library. Near to the terminus, Varaparan. See, Auchi College of Arts and Science is located at the heart of the city. I told you that it is on road. Moreover, the Auchi bus stand, the name of the bus stand itself is Auchi bus stand. Next, student support service activities, good sports and games, national service schemes, red ribbon clubs, environmental club, entrepreneurial development skill, fine arts club, women's forum, youth empowerment and skill development program. Yes, very useful. Youth empowerment and skill development program. Nowadays you need, all the students need. They are giving you practice in yoga and meditation. They are encouraging, they are developing skill on this. I tell you later. Auchi mentorship program. See, who is a mentor? Generally, mentor is a very experienced person in different fields. They are helping the students and guiding the students to choose a right career in future over a period of 3 years degree course. Within 3 years degree course, they are giving you overall guidance, support, and encouragement to the students by developing the additional skill set, enhance their communication, inculcate the leadership qualities. See, last two is very important. Enhancing their communication and inculcate the leadership qualities. Both are essential ones to develop the personality of the student. Mentorship program is a very essential one. No other college provides a mentorship program except Arts and Science College. By providing opportunities like mentorship for them, which will help them to fast track their career growth in a competitive environment. See, nowadays, a competition prevails everywhere. The only thing mentorship program help you to get a good career in future. Avicii mentors are happily selected under the able guidance of our secretary and principal. Normally, people from the different industries, I from IITs, good auditors, best auditors in CD, they are here to guide you under mentorship program. Valuable guidance from various fields who are expertise in their own area. They are fully committed towards mentoring the students. Easily approachable, positive in nature, constructive and supportive by reviling and recommending valuable suggestions to the students for their future. See, whenever students they feel how the future is going to be, these mentors, they are removing all the hurdles. They are helping and guiding and advising the students to choose a right career for the future. So what they are doing under mentorship program? Mentor and mentees register for mentoring. Avicii College team will select the mentees and match with a suitable mentor. Say, generally college team will select the mentees and they will find the suitable mentor. Mentor and mentees introduction will take part. WhatsApp group will be created. Very useful one to develop the skills of the students. Evaluation will be done to ensure the program is beneficial to students. Here, once they evaluate the students and they intimate the evaluation to the principal as well as to the secretary. Valuable mentors are Mr. Ramkumar Narayanan, qualified finance professional and entrepreneur with more than 35 years of exposure in finance and IT in the Middle East region. Mr. V.S. Ganesan, partner, DISA auditing firm. He is a qualified finance professional, CA, CWA, practicing chartered accountant for more than 3 decades. So these two persons are experienced in the field. They are giving you advice and they are helping you to district management support. Mr. M. Morgan Megrason, Vice President.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Dharmaburi, Mr. Morgan Megrason, Vice President, Sundaram DNFP, Paribas Home Finance Limited. Mrs. Kaveri Madhavan, well-known English writer, author, Einstein. Mr. C. Watson, Additional Assistant Director, National Academy of Customs and Indirect Taxes and Analytics, Government of India. Extracurricular activities. The college nourishes and cultivates all-round development of the student personality through various co-curricular and extracurricular activities. These activities provide platform for the students to exhibit their potential and hidden talent. It provides ample opportunities for nurturing and promoting creativity of the students at the national and international levels. National Service Scheme, NSS, the college is highly privileged for getting its first NSS scheme to be approved by the University of Madras during the first year of incubation itself. The motto is not me but you. Our NSS unit contributes enormously by the students actively participating in special literacy campus, adult education programs, and health campus held in nearby places. The students are provided with a full-fledged training by our staff for students' development and appreciation to other persons' point of view, and also show consideration towards other living beings. Involvement in various social service activities that enable students to be aware of their social rights and responsibilities and to become responsible human beings. Red Ribbon Club, RRC. See, Red Ribbon Club of the college serves in educating the youth and other members in the wider community on health-related issues. It develops the life skills for students involved in instilling a spirit of compassion towards the people living with HIV, AIDS in our country. The goal is to create an awareness on health and hygiene issues, particularly HIV-related, among the public. Anti-ragging committee. There is no ragging in Avchi Arts and Science College to regulate and monitor the students' movement in a more disciplined way. An anti-ragging committee is formed. The committee tries to eliminate ragging in all its forms from the college. This is achieved by preventing its occurrence and punishing those who indulge in ragging in any form in the campus. Committee members address the students regularly on the anti-ragging and the related social issues. There is no ragging at all in Avchi Arts and Science College. Entrepreneurial development cell. See the mentorship they are providing an entrepreneurial development cell. The entrepreneurship cell searches the innovative and the enterprising ideas through its regular plans exhibited in the club. The club provides a platform for students to get professional training from our experienced mentors to showcase their ideas. The aim is to provide skill training facilities and to form self-help groups. Environmental club, eco clubs plays an important role in creating environmental awareness among the future generation. This is very, very important one. That is there in Avchi Arts and Science College. The activities under the scheme include: 1. Motivate the students to keep their surroundings green and clean by undertaking plantation of trees. They are fulfilling the dreams of Abdul Kalam. 2. Promote ecos of conservation of water by minimizing the use of water. Water scarcity is there. That is why they are conserving the water. Next, 3. Motivate the students to imbibe habits and lifestyle for minimum waste generation, source separation of waste, and disposing the waste to the nearest certain point. Sensitize the students to minimize the use of plastic bags, not to throw them in public places as a joke, drains and sewers. Say, avoiding plastic is 100% in Avchi Arts and Science College campus. Next, organize a tree plantation program in collaboration with the NSS and awareness programs such as educate children about the reuse of waste material and preparation of products out of waste. Seed ball making. Next. Student discipline committee. It's a very, very important one. In all the colleges, you need discipline. A disciplined life alone will make the man complete. Besides giving academic facilities to students, certain rules and regulations are implemented to make them emerge as disciplinarians in life, which is very, very essential one in nowadays. The college has an active discipline committee which enforces the disciplinary action if the students indulge in disciplinary activities. They are counseling the students. Often they used to counsel the students whenever they have any problems. So the 100% discipline is maintained in the Avchi Arts and Science College. Women's Forum. Women's Forum focuses on educating, influencing, and empowering women to break the barriers. Efforts are made to share common problems and help them narrow down their difficulties. The forum tries to integrate diversity and inclusiveness as indispensable ways for sustainable and progressive development. Fine Arts Club is another club. Fine Arts Club provides an opportunity to students to let their imagination take a higher step and provides them with the arena to see things in a different way. Students learn from one another and share their pros in different aspects of art. Yes. To instill the qualities of skill development, stress elimination, and wisdom based on good breathing techniques and the Sudarshan Kriya meditation and yoga is conducted every week in Avchi Arts and Science College, so that the students' mind is focused only on subject. 100% discipline is maintained in this program in any college, but Avchi College provides that program every week. Student support cell action to portray the status of higher education in the country. Ministry of Human Resource Development has endeavored to conduct annual web-based All India Survey on higher education since 2010-11. The survey covers all the institutions in the country engaged in imparting of higher education. Data is being collected on several parameters such as teachers, student enrollment programs, examination results, education, finance, infrastructure, indicators of education development such as institution density, gross enrollment ratio, people-teacher ratio, gender parity index per student. Expenditure will also be calculated from the data collected through time. These are very useful in making informed policy decisions and research for development of education sector. Avchi College of Arts and Science also constituted All India Survey on Higher Education Cell in the year 2020 to perform the above survey related task for the college. To execute and monitor the task of collecting data, related teachers, students, enrollment, results, financial, infrastructure, hostels from various departments, institute, offices of nodal officer has been appointed by the college. The nodal officer shall pursue the task of collecting data, process the relevant data, and then upload the same on the ICE portal in the form of data capture from DCM every year. Scholarship, SC, SC, SCC, post-secondary scholarship, Department of Adi Dravida and Tribal Welfare, Government of Tamil Nadu, merit scholarship for school toppers. Sports scholarship for district, zonal, state, national, and international players also provided in college. For admission, apply online. Visit us www.Avchi College of Education. Mail Avchi College 2017 at gmail.com. Facebook www.facebook.com Avchi College. Contact 044 237 64 Mobile 9600 164070. 733 888 2812. Why do you choose Avchi College? Some students may have got some doubt with the professional course like BCom, CA, thank you, CA, like that. CA, that day, you have to decide. If you have got enough ability to do both, you can do it. You have to take simple course and do simultaneously. Some students may directly apply foundation without going degree course. But my sincere advice, suppose if you are not able to finish professional course, like CA, then what will happen? You are losing the degree course in 3 years. My sincere advice to students, do both the courses. Morning you do BCom, afternoon you go for foundation course, you can go for coaching. Nowadays coaching is not necessary. All that you read in +2 itself, +1 itself. Yeah, because all the syllabus of +1 to +2 is there in foundation course. You do not go coaching for anywhere. However, you can concentrate on both the foundation as well as the degree course. Very useful to you. My dear boy, think once or twice before taking any decision. And one more advice to you, you can do both one degree course and otherwise you can go for IAS, IPS coaching now. That is very useful. See, when you complete the degree course, you can write the IAS, IPS examination. you can become a good administrator in future. That you have to decide. Say ball is in your court, that you have to decide, and you have to take appropriate decision in appropriate time. Thank you, my dear boys and girls. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shekhar sir, for your wonderful insight into the college and about the courses that we offer. I now request Professor Selvi ma'am.
Sir, sir, yes, I have few questions. That's Rajalakshmi.
Yeah, ma'am. Carry on, ma'am. Carry on.
Yes, sir. Sir, Shekhar sir.
Yes, madam.
Or 2-3 questions sir from the student side.
You ask me, madam. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Which is the best degree course in BCom, sir?
BCom, any degree course you can choose. Say, BCom General, if you are taking BCom General, some students may ask you to go for BCom General. And you not go for BCom, you can choose any BCom course. 1 year you are studying first year in BCom General, the same thing you are going to study in second year in BBA. When you are going to study second year course in BCom General, you are going to study first year in BCom Arts, Accounting and Finance. All the subjects are same, but different years. You can choose any course as you like. That all depends upon you, your ability. See, my view is you can choose any course in BCom. You need not go for BCom General alone. You can choose any BCom. As I said earlier, see, first year you are going to study in BCom General. Second year, the same first year BCom General is going to be studied in BCom BBA. So there is no difference. All the subjects are same in BCom group. Next, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next KV. Whether to do both degree course and professional course together. Is it advisable?
Yes, madam. My view is that now the students of plus 1 and plus 2 might have studied the foundation course in plus 1 and plus 2 itself. They did not go for foundation coaching. Okay, moreover, in Auchi College, we are helping you. See, the mentors are coming from different fields, auditors are coming. They are giving you adequate training in for foundation course in BCom itself. When a student select any course in BCom, the auditors are coming and they are giving you a coaching for foundation course. And moreover, the students are well equipped. All the syllabus of foundation are kept in plus 1 and plus 2 itself. So you did not go for a foundation course. You can choose any BCom course. Okay, you can simultaneously study BCom along with the foundation. There is no problem. You can study both, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for that advice, sir. What you would like to say to all the students in general, sir? For all the plus 2 students in general, in advice,
general advice is don't choose a single course. Go for the 2 courses, minimum 2 courses you please go for. Either you choose a degree course. Degree course is a must. Some students they are not taking degree course first. They are going for foundation. So why you are going for foundation? You choose a degree course first. Then you go for foundation. Foundation you did not go for separate coaching as I said earlier. Why you are going for foundation coaching? Say all the subjects, chapters are there in plus 1 and plus 2 itself. Okay, next day. Some students they prefer to go for foundation course. They are not registering a degree course. When they go for that, they are not able to finish a professional course. Then they are losing the degree course. After 3 years, they may feel bad. That is why my sincere advice: register yourself. You take any course in BCom or any course in BA as you like. But preferably you take BCom. Okay, if you want to do professional course, that is my advice. You can do any course. ACS you can do professional course. CMA you can do CA. Any course you can do. Provided you have to choose BCom first. The Auchi College helps you a lot in that field. My view is concerned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for answering all the questions. Sir.
It is all up to the students. They have to decide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're absolutely right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Professor Selvi ma'am to take over the session.
Thank you, Raja ma'am. I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Auchi College of Arts and Science, on behalf of our management, principal sir, and our staff members, and also our students who are our backbone of our college. Sir, thank you, Sekhar sir, for your valuable guidance for the students, what they can choose after +2, especially for the BCom courses. They can choose any of the BCom General, A&F, BM, CS, like that, or BBA. According to their interest, they can choose it. Sir, thank you for your clear vision that you have imparted to the students about what they can do after choosing the degree also. After the degree, what are all the professional they can set their career, and as a BM students, they can choose their career in banking, and as an accounting and finance students as an financial analysis, and as CS students in a corporate sector. Like this, have given them the vision after the degree also, sir. Thank you so much. So thank you for your advice to the students that even a single degree is not enough for the students. They have to do either professional courses or the other certificate courses which will add and value to their degree. Yes, sir. As you rightly said, Avicii College is helping the students through the mentor Ganeshan sir for CA, CMA and ACS students to perform their foundation, that is CPT courses, and also their further proceeding. Likewise, in every field, if they want to shine, our secretary sir is taking interest to input that knowledge to the students to become an expert in that field. Thank you, Sekhar sir, for your valuable time and guidance to our students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Selvi. Thank you, Shekhar sir, for your wonderful insight about all the courses that are available in the Commerce Department. And your inputs and motivation will make the students to select the career choice and the course that they're going to study in the coming years. On behalf of Avicii College of Arts and Science, the management, the principal, the staff, and the students of Avicii College of Arts and Science, we want to thank you from the bottom of the hearts. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Dear attendees, we have more webinars to come in the coming week. Stay tuned with us. For the intimation, the admissions for the current academic year is open. You can log on to www.aviciicollege.edu.in for more details. You can apply online and you can get the admission online itself. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.